Hey, long time no see. I haven't done a video in a year, I guess. It's been...
You can believe in yourself. And it's perseverance.
Right behind me is all the Roycycled treasures papers that I carry. Well, that's just part of them.
We're doing the really hard test. You have to perseverance. Perseverance means dodge obstacles and just do perseverance.
Okay, so the decoupage paper I chose for this one, this is a 24 by 36 canvas. The papers are 30 by 20, and I'm gonna do this guitar. How the edges are straight, I think what I'm gonna do is wet the edges with a thin paintbrush, and then so that I can get this a little softer for around the edge, all the way around the edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how I do this. This is super easy. I'm sure you've seen it done before, but it really just will soften these edges so when you start to blend your paint, you won't see a straight edge. So we're just do that. And then the paper is wet, and so basically you just tear it like this, all the way around. And the water just helps the paper tear off easier. Always attach your decoupage paper to a light color. So if you're needing to paint, even if you're gonna do a dresser and you're gonna do it in dark blue or black or any other color, you wanna paint underneath where the decoupage paper is going. Definitely paint it white first, because the decoupage paper is a little bit translucent, and what will happen is the color from behind the paper will show up on the paper. So it will make it darker and the colors won't pop the way you want them to. I sell a few different brands of varnishes. Today I'm using Miss Lillian's matte varnish, which is called Lackluster, and it is just a matte varnish. You can use Mod Podge, you can use any of those decoupage mediums, but I find that the varnish works just as good. I really honestly have never used Mod Podge. Is it Mod Podge? I don't know. Anyway, I've never used it. I use varnish and I love it. It works really, really good. So what we're gonna do, now that we have our decoupage paper all torn around the edges, we're going to lay it out on the paper. And so this is gonna be a portrait, but I'm doing it in landscape just so you guys can see. So the guitar is gonna be sideways for now anyway. And so here's what you do is you just take your brush and you lay down a coat of the varnish. I do it in strips, just because I feel like I have a little bit more control over the wrinkles and bubbles and stuff. Nothing to it. So basically what you're gonna do is take your card and smooth it down like that. And when you see the wrinkles, you can just smooth them right out. Just like that. You get very minimal wrinkles, if any. I don't mind a few wrinkles. I don't like bubbles, but I don't really mind a few wrinkles. Sometimes what I'll do is sand the paper when it's completely dry, and just to give it a little bit more texture where the wrinkles kind of are. Just like that. And then you'll just go through and do another layer and lift this up. You want to make sure that you get underneath the paper really well, because you don't want there to be a strip where there's no varnish.
That's why I made a little song, and it's called Perseverance, Courage. Your courage is not. You can pray. You're even preschool. You can do anything you want. Hug a tree, hug a plant, hug your sister, hug me, hug your glasses. You can do anything is nice for you. You can do anything is nice for you. And you're nice. I can pray to Jesus. It's all being good in this world. Choose kindness. Because you choose kindness, you can be in a better world. A better world.
I'm using various size brushes and DIY and Miss Lillian's paint to blend around the paper. This is DIY Marquee, which is a red, and Summer Crush, which is a pretty orange, and also some Miss Lillian's paint. Most of the base layer is red, so I'll layer colors I see on the paper over the top of the red. I'm using various colors, blending them together to try and match designs that I see on the paper. It's pretty easy to blend into the paper and change the colors to go with the colors and shades you have available too.
I've been trying to be my own guiding star, but it appears it hasn't taken me very far. I've tried to be my own all in all and everything, but it's just been a hard and arduous thing. When I look back upon the life I have lived and the choices I have made, what do I see? All hell fails when I try to push my way, but when I gave in, all life's good came running at me. With an open heart and mind and arms laid down, your wall of hate and arms let in the light of day, and let Jesus show the way. But hey, I'm not religious in an old sense. I can't stand the way that most priests talk in the state church or elsewhere. After having tried to decide each time I had to make a choice about something worthwhile, now I take a pause and I take a breath and listen to them, then I know how to begin. With an open heart and mind and arms laid down, your wall and hate and arms let in the light of day, and let Jesus show the way.
As you can see here, I'm blending in a little bit of my red to kind of just go with the red that's on the outside of the paper, just to make it look more cohesive.
From the start, night, mind.
I'm doing that with most of the colors that I'm using. I'm using a little bit of the oranges, blues, dark gray, browns, and reds, and even yellow that I see on the paper, and just blending it in on the inside of the paper and on the outside of the paper.
Path, who knows how long it will last or where it will go. Now I take one step back and I watch what's going on, and I release the need to know. With a broken heart and mind and arms laid down, your war and hate and arms let in the light of day, and let Jesus show the way. But hey, I'm not religious in an old sense. I can't stand the way that most priests talk in the state church or elsewhere.
Okay, so I found some Misbehave. It's a really, really beautiful plum color, and black, which is the Miss Lillian's Onyx. And I am going to, you can see that there's a little bit of purple in here. I'm gonna blend a little bit of the misbehave in here.
Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't.
I'm really not happy with this part of the guitar. I am definitely going to have to work on this a little bit more. And I think what I'm going to have to do, because it's going to be too hard for me to match what's on the paper, is I'm going to bring my final design, whatever I decide to do, down into the paper to make it look like it was always that way. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I get asked all the time if you can blend together different types and brands of Chock style paint, and you absolutely can. I sell Wise Owl paint as well as Debi's Design Diary DIY paint and Miss Lillian's paint in my shop and on my website. And I always blend them all together. I've even mixed them together. I just use whatever color I like, so it doesn't matter which brand it is. I'm more concerned about the color than the brand. And they all blend really nicely together. So don't be afraid to just go ahead and play with your paint and mix them together. The 3 brands of paint that I carry, even though they do all mix well and they play well together, they do all have their own special attributes, the different things that I like about them. Miss Lillian's has a sealer in it. Debi's Design Diary paint is clay-based paint, and it just, you can do a lot of really fun textures with it. But they all really do work well together. If you would like to try anything that is shown here, any of the products that I carry, please go to my website, elsielaneboutique.com, or stop by if you're in the local area in Spokane Valley, Washington.
Please like the video and give us a thumbs up.
Action.
Please subscribe wait, what?
Say it again. Do it again. It's okay.
Do another scrape for the left, and then leave a thumbs up.